This is Ian Lamont, author of Google Drive and Google Docs in 30 minutes. Here's the quick way to add a footer to Google Docs that includes a copyright notice and also a link. Let's get started. So I have this glossary of Amazon terms, and the footer is at the bottom of the page. In order to get into the footer to start adding text, just double click on it and then start typing. So I'm going to say copyright 2025 I-30 Media Corporation. I also want to add a C in a circle. That's part of the copyright, the official copyright kind of format, if you will. So I'm going to add another space, and then up here where it says insert, there's an option for special characters. So I'm just going to type C and see if it comes up. And I can see it right here. This is it. I just click that once and it appears. Get rid of this box. Okay. Now, the other thing I want to do is add a link. So I'm going to put in the URL for it. Source, leanmedia.org. Copyright is after that. And the one last thing I want to do, it looks like it's a little big. So I'm going to reduce the size. It's Arial 11, so I'm going to knock that down to Arial 9. And then finally, let's see if I can actually add a link to leanmedia.org. So if I make it a PDF or someone looks at this online, they can click on the link and go straight to the website. So I'm going to copy the URL first, and then I'm going to go to Insert. There's an option for link. Link right here. Yep, it automatically did it. That looks great. And maybe one last thing, I'm going to center the text. So that is on the Align button on the toolbar. Check the center option. And that looks good. So that appears in the footer of the first page and every subsequent page, which is exactly what I want. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and subscribe. I have links to more resources in the description and bio. Thank you so much for watching.